students! Today we are going to talk about what we like to do. I like to read. I like to roller skate. I like to play outside with my two girls, Eleanor and Johanna. What do you like to do? Let's practice today. What do you like to do? Do you like to read? Yes, I like to read. Or no, I don't like to read. Do you like to read? Do you like to run? Yes, I like to run. Or no, I don't like to run. Do you like to play? Do you like to watch Netflix? Okay, let's practice one more time. What are 3 things you like to do? I like to. Your turn. Okay, today we practice saying 3 things we like to do. Have a good day. I like to go outside in the sun, so I'm going to go play in the sun in my backyard.